ladies and gents, POV of my boy Alex Camaro. Ooh, it pops. Oh, yo, it pops like crazy. All right, the view look good. All right, cool. Still recording? All right, bet. Wind down the windows a little bit so you guys get some light. I haven't driven this thing in a while. I mean, the only time I've driven it, it was just to drift it. Yo, I love the shifts though. When they shift, oh, this bump is kind of big. The steering wheel is stiff, but it allows you for confidence when you do a corner. Yo, turn in. Alright, let's bring it back. My boy Alex was in a rush. But the thing is, you always know where it's at. It gives you a lot of confidence. Oh, the brakes is stiff.
That truck guy was like, what the fuck?
That truck guy definitely was like, what the fuck? Alright, these Michelin's grip too. Okay. Alright, ladies and gents, let me know what you think of the Camaro. It's just a quick POV. My boy Alex Camaro, I'm gonna leave his IG down below. Put it back in drive. Yep, it just grips. And this is with traction fully disabled that we have it. Oh, the little burbles and pops is nice. And this is a completely stock exhaust. I don't know if you're gonna hear it on camera, but it's a completely stock exhaust. I'm just put it in drive and floor it one time real quick. Give you guys a 0 to 60. What, Jaguar? Yo, the electric Jaguar was trying to catch up. And he had a head start. Good try though, Jack. That shit is quick, bro. I mean, he was coming up at like 60 when we launched it. It did spin a little bit on the launch, but it's like what I was telling him. He would walk the hell out of my Hellcat from a launch.
Because it gripped like what, like 40?
It gripped at like 20. It was just like it was like a BRZ launch. It just spins like a little bit. That's what it was doing, but it was just taking off. So he would gap me from a launch. Go bring it back. If you like the Camaro POV, slap the like button. Let me know what kind of cars you guys would like on POVs. Not everyone you ask for I can get. Obviously, I'm not like Shmi 150 or the Stradman yet, okay? But the ones I can get my hands on, I will. Stop the light button, guys. Alright, bring this shit back. One last piece, Maja. You can go. You can go.
One thing, this shit doesn't let off any smoke off the tires, bro.
Because it's gripping, that's the thing. It is gripping like a motherfucker. Alright, that's it.